So today we have a Citroen Saxo 1.5 diesel. The problem is the engine support. The bolt goes off constantly, and I'm trying to solve it. It's my daily drive, and sorry for no introduction. This is Paulo from Portugal again with helping videos. So to get the engine mount off, you need to take this off, and the bolt in there, the bolt right in there. I got a cheap jack, but for that kind of job, this is what you got. You use it, and let's see it how I'm putting it on the engine. I'm putting it right there with a piece of wood to put the engine more higher in the air, and got this thing right in here. Probably I will have to take this all off. This is the expansion tank, and I think I will have to get that out and this to get access to this, but I will see what I have to do. Or maybe I take this bolt and this bolt and gain access to the space. Let me see in just a second. So with a 11 socket like this one, I don't think let me see. I think it's 11, a 10, maybe a 10. Let me see, a 10 or an 11 socket. You can take this bolt off, and they unbolt that one, and maybe you can take this, move it around. Let me see where I can make this so you see. So oh, so I'm trying to disconnect the electric harness right in here, but let me see in just a second how it is. So that's the surprise. I don't take that electric shit off. I just move it a bit and I gain space. The horrible surprise again, second time. I break the bolt. I don't know how this happens, but I break the second bolt. So that I take the bolts off. So I take the bolts off like I said, and to take this support off, and I will use glue for nuts to put it, I think, there for a long time. You have the support. I will got the bolt on and I will show. So like you see, I already bolted. I use one I bought. Is not an OEM one because I crashed two already and I want to try something new. And I bought a stainless steel, and let's see. This time I take the support off to get it really tight, and I will have to take this hose and this hose to get access to the place I need, and I will show you. So I put it all in reverse, the 4 bolts right on the place. I put this with the most force I can exert on that, with the stainless bolt to be more resistant than the normal one. The OEM one breaks all the time. And let's see, let's test it, how the car runs now. So my girlfriend thinks that it's getting the keys for the car. Like I said, I don't have much tools. Like you see, it's just a toolbox, a jack stand, that tool, that is fun. And I got just that, bolts, wait, bolts, bolts, and I got this nice tool. I bought it, my mother bought it for me. Yeah, very nice. I got this essential tool for car guys. And let's see. Yeah, it works fine. Don't. Yeah, like you see, it's nice again. It's smooth. And thank you for watching. Sorry for the dog noise and the English, but it's just the info to help people do stuff for cheap. The first time I pay for the mechanic, I pay 75 euros. I think is a bit expensive, because the second time I paid $10 or 10 euros for the bolt, just the bolt, and I saved me 60. So I don't know, but I paid a lot. I saved a lot from the first time, and now I did it for even cheaper, like 2 euros for the 2 bolts. I got one at this, one spare. In this case I got 3, because I got one in here to test, and I got another 2 from the shop and bought it to have in stock just in case. But is this the engine support bolt done? Easy peasy. Nice talking with you. Give it a thumbs up, and I will try to make more content, random contents. Sorry for the phone quality, because I'm on the phone all the time. I don't got camera. And thank you for watching. Like you can see, I'm already at home, and this is the first and the second one that broke, always on the same spot. I don't know why, but they broke always on that spot. with more thread, with less thread, they crack. I don't know if it is about the vibration or not. I decided not to use thread lock because if the thread lock glues really hard, I cannot take the thread will be on the engine support because it will be really tight, and support will be on the trash can, and I will have to buy everything. This time only €2 to repair this thing in 1 hour.